Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button just below this video, click it and then turn on the notification bell and select all. Now let's get started. So in today's video, I'm sharing some of my favorite Plum skincare products for oily and acne prone skin. So if you want to know about the products, then please keep on watching. So the first product is Plum Goodness Green Tea Clear Face Mask. It's a clay face mask which contains green tea, and this is for oily and acne prone skin. Also, Plum is a 100% vegan and cruelty free brand, and this face mask retails for 490 rupees for 60 gram. It contains natural clay and green tea, and it also contains glycolic acid, and it's also free from paraben and phthalate. This mask contains natural clay which helps to absorb excess oil, and it also contains glycolic acid which helps to exfoliate and brighten our skin, and green tea is rich in antioxidants, and it also helps to clear active acne. I use this face mask twice a week. It works well for me, and when I have very active acne, I always go for this face mask. It's very good for sensitive and acne prone skin. And I'll just apply a thin layer of this face mask and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes until it's completely dry, and then I wash it off. And now moving on to my second favorite Plum products, which is green tea alcohol free toner. And this product is also especially made for combination oily and acne prone skin. It also contains glycolic acid. If you want me to talk about glycolic acid in detail, let me know. I will make a video. But glycolic acid is a great ingredient if you have oily and acne prone skin. It's a chemical exfoliant. It helps to get rid of the dead skin cells, impurities that's accumulated on your skin pores. If you have very oily skin, you will face large open pores. So if you have that skin issues, you can go for this toner. And now my next favorite product, this is also from the green tea range. It's a night moisturizing gel. It's a very lightweight gel. It's just like one of those night sleeping masks. It contains green tea which helps to clarify your skin if you have acne skin, and it also contains licorice which helps to brighten and lighten any acne mark, and it also contains willow bark which is known to clarify your skin. So these are the main key ingredients present in this face night gel mask. It's a good gel moisturizer, and I really like it. It doesn't make my skin very oily or very matte. It's the right amount of moisture that I need, especially at night time. So these are few Plum products which I like, and I'm definitely going to try more Plum products, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you have any video requests, leave it down in the comment section, and let me know your favorite Plum Goodness product and what you like about that brand in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Bye. Love you all. Be safe.